So good morning and dear students. Good morning. So this is GK period. Yes, sir. And just wait. Okay. And today I will ask different questions from different sections. So are you ready? Yes, sir. Okay. So it is GK revision. So what you have to do, you know well that you have to raise your hand now. Understand? And no one will tell answer to anyone. Stop doing this. So, question number 1 is, I am giving you one statement and you have to find the name of the movie which is based on sports, particular sports. So, means here is some information on films on sport. Read the clues and write the names of the sports persons on which this movie was based. So, it is the story of a man who aspires to become a successful wrestler. He fulfills his dream by training his daughters to be top-notch wrestlers. Both go on to win gold medals for India in the Commonwealth game. You have to give the name of that particular person. So, come, take your name and give the answer. Come closer, come closer.
Pragyan Upadhyay, Mahavir Singh Fogart.
Mahavir Fogart. Mahavir Singh Fogart. Very good, correct answer. And what was the name of that movie? Dangal. And who was the leading actor? Aamir Khan. He played the role of Mahavir Fogart. Okay. Next question is, it is the story of one of the most celebrated sports person of India. He is popularly referred to as Master Blaster and the God of Cricket. Come beta. Your name and answer.
Sachin Tendulkar.
What is your name?
Pratiksha.
Pratiksha. And answer is?
Sachin
Loudly.
Sachin Tendulkar.
Very good. So, correct answer is Sachin Tendulkar. Okay. Now my next question is, I will take the name of movie and you have to tell that on which sport it was made. Lagan. Beta, who is this boy? Stand up. Stand up. And keep standing. So as you know that we got correct answer. That is cricket. Second one is Chak De India.
Himanshu Singh, hockey.
Loudly.
Hockey.
Okay. So Chak De India was based on hockey, and who was the leading actor in this? Shah Rukh Khan. What was his name? Filmy name in this? It was Kabir Khan, and it was very nice movie which was based on hockey. Okay. Then the next question is, look, I will take the name of paintings and you will give the answer as painters.
Yes, sir.
Who are painters of these world famous paintings? So, Mona Lisa. Come. Painting is Mona Lisa.
Vibhavi Pandey, Leonardo da Vinci.
Very good. So, painter's name was Leonardo da Vinci. Very good. Then the second is which of these artists painted Night Watch? Which of these artists painted Night Watch? And options are Rembrandt, Claude Monet, Paolo Usello. Not prepared. So the correct answer is Rembrandt, which is the first option. Next is, and it is very much related to your history also, the cave paintings in Bhimbetka have been declared a World Heritage Site. In which state are these caves located? Last.
Madhya Pradesh.
Loudly.
Madhya Pradesh.
And what is your name?
Divyanshu.
Okay. So correct answer is Madhya Pradesh. Now I will take I will take few words, and you have to take the name which is odd in this group. Anna? For example, then I will start asking question. For example, suppose I am taking the name of a group where orange, banana, apple and potato. What is odd? Potato is odd because all three are fruits and potato is a vegetable. Okay, like this. So the question is Mumbai Indians, Rajasthan Royals, Mohan Bagan and Delhi Daredevils. Efra, shut your mouth, otherwise I will say out from the class.
Mohan Bagan.
Why, Beka? Why Mohan Bagan is different? Okay. Because Mumbai Indians, Rajasthan Royals and Delhi Daredevils, they are the cricket team of IPL, while Mohan Bagan is a football team. Next one is I will take the name of disease and you will tell that which body part affected by this. Okay? So scurvy. Come.
Sir, gums of mouth of gums. Sir, gums.
Come.
Sir, vitamin C.
No, which body part? Wait.
Sir, can I?
Come.
Sir, mouth.
Yes.
Mouth.
Anyone else? Come.
Sir, gums.
Hmm?
Sir, gums.
Yes. You also. How many are coming to give the answer? Yes, give the answer.
Teeth.
Yes.
Sir, gums.
Arey wait, why you are saying gums hoga? Have I asked you again? Have I asked you? Yes.
Teeth. Teeth.
Scurvy in teeth. Go. Anyone else? You have given your answer, na? Go and sit. Anyone else? So how many has given this answer gums? One. Only one has given answer gums. Two. So gums is correct answer. It is not in teeth, not in somewhere else. Next is which is the largest gland in the human body? Which is the largest gland in the human body? Come.
Liver.
Huh?
Liver.
Okay. So correct answer is
Liver.
liver. Next question. Which of these acts as a shock absorber at the joints? I am giving you options. Bicep, ligament and cartilage. Come.
Ligament. Ligament.
Is it correct?
No, sir.
Come.
Cartilage.
Yes. So cartilage is correct answer. That's all. Please read all the pages carefully because questions are coming from each and every page. Okay? Okay. Thank you and have a nice day.
Thank you.